Do you ever find yourself full of ambition at night, envisioning all the amazing things that you'll accomplish the next day, building up all of this excitement as you're going to bed, only to wake up feeling unmotivated and not wanting to accomplish anything that you had planned the night before? Well, you're not the only one. It's actually very common. But like, what in the world could have happened in the last 8 hours that made me go from, I can do anything I set my mind to, I don't know about all that. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Let's get into the reasons behind this and how you can break the cycle and become a better version of yourself. Reasons you get motivated at night. It's a common scenario. People laying in bed dreaming about what their lives could look like, but why does motivation often strike at night and vanish in the morning? There's a lot of reasons behind this, but let's focus on the main ones. Number 1. You're more relaxed at night. At night, the world slows down. There's a certain calmness that allows your mind to wander freely, making it easier to connect with your inner desires. When you are calm and focused on a singular thought, you are able to see that vision in your head much more clearly. Sometimes you might be so connected with the thoughts that you're envisioning that you can almost feel the emotions as if it were happening in the present moment. Reason number 2, it's fun to think, but not do. Thinking is often more exciting than doing because there is no immediate pressure and tangible effort. In the realm of thoughts, there's a sense of control and satisfaction without the constraints of real-world deadlines or mistakes being made. The ease for envisioning tasks provides for a mental playground that allows creativity to flow effortlessly. The fulfillment lies in the simplicity of imagining what could be, without the burden of turning it into reality. There's less distractions. The world is quieter at night, fewer distractions and interruptions. It's the perfect time for introspection and planning. The mind can focus and plan without interruptions. Why you lose motivation in the morning. Now that we've covered why you get motivated at night, let's uncover why motivation disappears like fathers when child support is due. Thinking is easier than doing. The difference between thinking and doing is everything. Thoughts flow effortlessly. However, when it comes to turning those thoughts into actions, a noticeable effort is required. The morning, often seen as a harsh reality check, the difference between your current life and the life that you dream of simply lies in the decision to not take action. The life that you want and dream of is literally right there. It's 100% up to you to make that decision to take action. And it's also 100% up to you on what you decide. You're in control. Overwhelming night plans. We have a tendency to envision all these goals at night and set all these high standards and be super ambitious with our thoughts, only to find ourselves overwhelmed or demotivated when confronted with those plans in the morning. Starting with overly ambitious goals can negatively impact motivation when it comes to taking action. On top of that, it's already a tough decision to decide where to start. Another reason you maybe feel unmotivated in the morning is because you love the results and not the process. We're oftentimes drawn to the success, achievement, the end result. We are fixated on the final outcomes or successes, neglecting the significance of the process or journey that leads us to those results. The reason why people are successful and are able to obtain it is because they have learned new skills in the process of achieving a new goal. Without learning the proper skills that you need in order to accomplish your goal, you will never maintain it, and everything after that will only be more and more difficult for your entire life. Life doesn't get easier for us, we just get better at handling situations. Segment 3. How to break the cycle. All right, before we talk about how to break the cycle, if you guys are enjoying this video and find it helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. It just lets me know that I'm doing something right. Let's talk about how we can take actionable steps to actually have that productive morning that you dream of at night. Number 1 is think through the details. After you visualize the bigger picture, go back and start from the first step. Break down your plans into actionable steps. Be super detailed when you think about each step that you need to be putting into place. This will allow you to slow down your thoughts and really understand what it is that you're gonna have to do whenever you actually wake up in the morning. Visualize the entire process, not just the outcome. Number 2, start small. Starting your day with small manageable tasks not only sets a realistic tone, but also establishes a foundation for success. Small wins start with completing the task that you have set for yourself, and with that, you begin to build momentum. Each task you complete, regardless of the size, contributes to a sense of achievement, resulting in a positive feedback loop that propels you forward. These small tasks will boost your confidence, gradually instilling the belief in your ability to tackle larger challenges. By recognizing the significance of starting small, you can transform your early morning intentions into tangible accomplishments. Over time, this will be the difference of who you are and who you want to be. Prioritizing goals is what guides us toward effective time management and purposeful action. It becomes crucial to understand what truly matters and align efforts accordingly. By identifying and prioritizing your goals, you establish a roadmap that ensures you invest your limited time and energy in areas that hold the greatest significance. The focus on the most important objective enables a more efficient approach to decision making and task execution. Prioritization serves as a roadblock against the potential distractions that may divert attention from what's most important. By consciously organizing your goals from most important to least important, you cultivate a sense of clarity and purpose. This intentional framework for goal setting acts as a compass, guiding us towards meaningful accomplishments and a more fulfilling life. Write out a list of 10 things that you need to do between today and tomorrow. Mark out 9 of them, and whichever one is left is the most important thing that you need to do. Focus on that, complete the task, and then repeat the process. Learn to love the process. To push through every day and be consistent for long periods of time, you need to learn to find enjoyment in the day-to-day hustle. Imagine it as stopping to look at the scenic route instead of just focusing on the destination. Imagine doing a cross-country road trip only to look at the road in front of you for hours and hours, missing all the different night skies and landscapes, the mountains, oceans, deserts, sunsets, and sunrises that make the trip worth it. When you shift your attention from fixating on the outcome to appreciating the process, it's like finding all the treasures along the way. Breaking the cycle requires intention and action. No one is going to do the work for you. You have to find a reason to step up and be better. You owe it to yourself and you owe it to your family. Start small and let the journey become as rewarding as the destination.